Hi everyone, welcome back to Pick a Mentor. In today's video, I will share a behind the scene look at a project I just completed for one of my clients. The task: recreate a Shopify product page on WordPress WooCommerce using the Woodmart theme. The client provided me with this sample Shopify product page. They want the same look and feel but on WooCommerce. There is the option in the sample site to upload file. I have used this plugin drag and drop for file uploader for WooCommerce. These are the attributes variation. I have created attributes for this section and used image swatch. Woodmart have the option to upload images for swatches. Here are the border thickness attribute, but for this attribute there is the logic. This is not possible with some custom themes. So I have searched many plugins but not found to create this. So for this I have added some custom code. I added some custom PHP to handle this. Here is the code. You can see I have added it in function.php file. These are the whole code. This is the code. Display custom field. Here is this is the code for quantity 100. The minimum quantity will be 100. So I have added these snippets. These are the custom attributes fields. So I have added this code to create this. This is very complicated. So at the end of the page there is the code file dynamic discount table. This is a function dynamic discount to handle the prices with the quantity. Here you can see this is the code. If you need any help, please feel free to comment us. This is the complete code. So here you can see red. This is width and height field. So I have used plugin for this. This is, if I change the price, here you can see the data is visible both on the cart and checkout page and also on the order detail page. Here you can see the data is visible in the cart page. If I go to process to checkout page, here you can see the data is visible. For the width and height field, I have used product add-in plugin. For width and height, here you can see width and height in inches. WooCommerce custom product add-in. This is a free plugin, you can use it. I have created this form and added the width and height field. This is this page I have created.